We asked Will if he had a chance to start his cover cropping endeavor over today, would he do anything differently based on what he's learned thus far?
I don't believe so. I've chosen to keep my soils organic, and therefore I'm not using the herbicides for termination of my cover crops and things. I might have bought one or two different implements that might have helped me. Maybe I would have bought a flail mower instead of a roller crimper, since I'm not doing cash crops now. You know, I would have probably purchased a spader along with that so that I could aerate the soil, and developing larger scale permanent beds. And these are all things that I now anticipate doing moving forward. They're the next steps for soil development here on the farm. But as far as the varieties and different things we've tried, I believe we've learned a lot about how blends may react in one area versus a different area. Lots of times, depending upon whether you're planting in sort of a valley, or if one side of the field has more shade, or you know, different geographical characteristics. One thing we have learned, or I've observed, is the more species of a blend that you have in a cover crop, the higher your percentage of covering the different microclimate regions on one piece of property. For instance, if you've only got 3 varieties or 4 varieties in your cover crop, you may have 0 germination or 0% success rate in one of those varieties, and your plant population has been determined by that specific mix. With 4 varieties, you might miss a whole 25% of what you were trying to do, whereas if you have 10 or 12 varieties, you might only miss 3 or 4%. But going back to the original question, no, I don't think there's anything that we could have done differently or not. I think the main thing is the soil is continuously improving. So everything we've done has been a positive. Some of the different things we've done might have had a greater success rate than another, but there again, it's all a learning process.